Hi Viren, happy 35th birthday, brother. Cheers. I heard a lot about you from Anuj when me and Neha used to live in Jaipur. Anuj and Neha, they were good friends. They are good friends. We used to hang out a lot together when we used to live in Jaipur. And my first memory with you was when me and Neha traveled to Lucknow for Nidhi's and Santosh's wedding. And I remember as soon as I reached, I was on the terrace drinking and smoking a joint with you and Ashrit. And immediately I felt like a brother from another mother. And we should hang out more often, bro, because I think we connect, man. And I keep following your workouts and keep inspiring, brother. Happy 35th and fuck, you're young, man. Live it. Cheers, man. Cheers.
हैप्पी 35th बर्थडे ब्रो। सर पे बालों के झाड़ से लेके उजड़े चमन तक की दोस्ती। मेमोरीज ही मेमोरीज है बॉस। एक मेमोरी कैसे याद करूं, फिर भी याद करने की कोशिश करता हूं तो याद आ रही है जैन कॉलेज हॉस्टल निशांत के रूम में निशांत की ही मारना। वही सबसे पहली मेमोरी याद आ रही है। उसके बाद तो मेमोरीज ही मेमोरीज हैं। फिर के उसके बाद की पूछो तो बताऊं। अभी तो फिलहाल एक यही छोटी मेमोरी से शुरुआत करते हैं।
Happy birthday to you, G.
Ding ding.
Happy birthday to you, G. We miss you.
And Neha Masi.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, Mama. Happy dear Mama.
Happy birthday to you, Mama.
Hey Viren, wishing you a very very happy birthday. Wish you a lot of health, success and happiness in life. Waiting for your new home. Bye bye.
Many happy returns of the day, Viren. Viren, my first memory of you was that of Neha introducing us to you. She very coyly introduced you to us in the main block of Christ College. I remember her introducing us to a ton of male friends, but when she introduced you, she had this really mischievous spark in her eye. That's when I knew something was fishy. But my favorite memory of you is of us frolicking on the beaches of Goa and how Neha and you were inseparable. Happy birthday. Have the best year ahead.
Happy birthday, Viren. I think the best memory I recall with you is that Tulip Shack. You remember we sneaked out from Delton? That was the best time. Hope we get back soon there. And this is for you. Bhujia khao, aag lagao.
Happy birthday, Viru. I think I met you first time at 3 Dots and Dashes, from where our dots started connecting together. You came across a very decent guy. Post that you were like, मैं हूँ बुल्ला, बोलता हूँ हमेशा सब कुछ खुल्ला खुल्ला। तेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ, मैं निकला था दही लेकर, तू मिलता गया और दही का रायता बनता गया। So just remain as you are. बाकी जो बोलते थे, because तेरे पॉडकास्ट के बिना हर पार्टी अधूरी है। And very soon we are gonna do a Amsterdam trip.
इसके चाय के बिना भी।
He is the expert of चाय and hookah. और जैसे हम एम्स्टर्डम जाएंगे उसके बाद we'll have lots of fun because हमारी बीवियां साथ नहीं, हमें किसी का डर नहीं। Happy birthday Viru.
Happy birthday, Viru.
Happy birthday, Viren. First time I met him was at the National Grounds. I remember नरेंद्र जी अंकल उनको लेके आए, तो he was playing okay, but eventually वो टीम का पार्ट हो गया, and then we met a couple of times. But in the real sense, if I मुझे वीरेन का याद है तो ग्राउंड पे तो ठीक है, but otherwise when we वो ट्रिप गोवा ट्रिप I remember, and that trip at Ravi's house we were having a rocking time. We are having a blast, and that day मुझे real वीरेन दिखा। मतलब he is fun loving, charming, मतलब एकदम आग लगा दो cool. And I thought yes, there's a connect with the guy. And वहाँ पे 50-50 चल रहा था बहुत लोगों का कि गोवा जाना है या नहीं जाना। तो वीरेन आके मुझे बोलता है, भैया कुछ हो या नहीं हो, आप और मैं गोवा जा रहे हैं। बिकॉज आई वॉज द मोस्ट ऑप्टिमिस्टिक गाय टू गो टू गोवा, एंड ही वाज लाइक, भैया और कोई जा रहा है या नहीं जा रहा, आप और मैं तो पक्का जा रहे हैं। अब मैं बोला अब तो गोवा पक्का जा रहे, कोई आए या नहीं आए। एंड फाइनली द एंटायर टीम वेंट, And that moment was where I think, we grew close. कि हाँ हमारी सोच एक है. We think alike. It's fun loving. We both are so fun loving that we think alike. And वो connect जो बैठा फिर then he kept calling and we kept in touch और मिलते रहते थे common part.
Hi Viren, many happy returns of the day. Have a killer day and a super year ahead. My first memory with you has to be Lavelle Road Coffee Day, and I still remember the first time you and Neha met. You both messaged each other, let's stand at the same time, and you guys stood at the same time. That is when I first met you and saw you. What memories, yeah. It's been so long. I think I also know you since the time Neha knows you. Yeah. Have a super day. I hope I see you soon. Bye.
Hey Viren, wish you a very happy birthday.
A very
Enjoy,
happy birthday, Viren.
have a blast, and have lots of fun as always.
And be the way you are, so chirpy, jovial, and always light-hearted. It's amazing to always be with you. So lots of love and lots of blessings and lots of happiness and success your way. And always keep smiling.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Hi Viren, happy birthday. Hope you're having a great time today. Well, before I share the best memories with you or memorable moment, I think I want to share the first impression I had about you. I was very eager to meet you because just wanted to know who is this Viren for whom Neha has been bunking so many classes. And the impression that I had then and for a very long time after that was like my God, this guy is so sober, decent, so well behaved. I mean, for most of it, which you are, but that version was like these Sri Ram ka avatar types, okay? And what you are is like an anti-Sri Ram, if I have to say. But the anti-version is better, frankly speaking. So stay that way. The fond memory that I have of you, of all, is the Lucknow, I think, and more so Banaras. I think that trip is memorable because of you. You made us laugh. You always make us laugh, and I think keep doing that. Looking forward for more such memories, more such moments and trips with you. So stay healthy, stay happy. Wish you loads of luck, success, and lots of money, Viren. Happy birthday.
Hey Viren,
Hi, Viren.
you're getting older today, dude. My man is getting older. Another year and so many memories. चलेगी क्या next trip पे? Viren, I tell you, you're worth every moment in this life. We grew up doing crazy things and now it's time to do something bigger.
A million magic wishes to you. All the best. And for years to come. Have
Happy
a Palantod
birthday.
Viren. We love you.
Bye.
Hey dude, wish you many happy returns of the day. I've been asked to talk about my first impression about you, but to be honest, I don't remember the first impression. But the lasting two impressions about you is one is that Respect Bro. That night was super epic. And the second impression, second most memorable thing about you is that you're chai, man. Like, can never get over it. So yeah, until next time, enjoy the year ahead, bro. Take care and respect to you.
Happy birthday, Viren uncle.
Our childhood, हमारा बचपन. We have, crazy, fun-filled, amazing moments of our childhood in Soa Bazaar. And उन memories में मेरे को अभी बहुत सारी memories ऐसे याद आ रहे हैं. जैसे जब पापा तुम्हारे साइकिल लेकर आए थे तो तुम हमारे वरांडा में पानी भर के वहाँ पे पापा की दादा की चप्पलें लगाकर तुम वहाँ साइकिल चलाते थे. पानी स्प्लैश होता एंड वो बम्पर वाला इफ़ेक्ट चप्पलों का तुम्हें बहुत एक्साइट करता. फिर तुम मम्मी को संडेज़ को फोर्स करते कि नहीं तुम्हें आलू की सब्ज़ी और पूड़ी ही खाना है, एंड बाई चांस अगर मम्मी मना कर देती तो तुम दादा को जाके कंप्लेन करते एंड दादा फोर्सफुली मम्मी से आलू की सब्जी और पूड़ी बनवाते। फिर हम संडेज को हमारा रिचुअल था कि हम सबसे पहले पुचका खाते, उसके बाद हम झाल मुड़ी खाने जाते एंड फिर या तो हम आइसक्रीम या शायद कोल्ड ड्रिंक पीते एंड फिर उसके बाद पापा हमें एक बलून दिलाते एंड देन वी यूज्ड टू गो बैक टू आवर होम विद सच बिग हैप्पी फेस। दोज वर द डेज। हम मम्मी हमें बिना स्टोरी सुनाए बिना हम सोते नहीं थे। So I have so many memories, some beautiful memories with you, and it was I cherish all those moments, you know, of our childhood till now when you were around. Growing up was really fun with you around, and today on your 35th birthday, I really wish that your day be filled with, you know, happy smiles, sweet memories and blissful moments. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday and, you know, have a bawal birthday. So, happy birthday to an awesome brother from your best sister. Love you.
वीरू, हैप्पी बर्थडे वीरेंद्र कोठारी, क्या बात है तुम्हारी। So, you know, we have completed over a decade of a friendship, and they say that if a friendship lasts for over a decade, it's going to last a lifetime. So, पूरी जिंदगी मुझे झेलना पड़ेगा भाई, सोच ले। Okay, my first memory of you, Viren, is still so vivid in my mind. I remember it was in the Ejipura house. We were having a house party and you had come down to obviously meet Neha and these guys. And so it was Sia, me, Nishant, Anirudh, Adi, Pratik obviously, and so we were partying and you came and you were jumping around like a monkey. You were all over the place and you took the hookah in one corner and you were shouting so loudly like you always do, and you were like, you know, whoa man, and I was so shy back then. So I just took Pratik on the side and I back then. So I just took Pratik on the side and I asked him, who is this guy? Like, who is he? And then he gave me your details later on. He was like, he gave me the entire story about how he met you and everything and how he knows you. And then after that, every time you came to the city, I would be so excited because I would be like, whoa, Wayne is coming, it's going to be a fun time, we're going to party. And ever since, it's always been fun to be around you. You have this energy level which is stupendous. I don't think anybody in the group can match you. Nobody. And I've always been jealous of that. Trust me. I wish I could get like 1/4 of the energy that you have. So, you know, they say that, you know, you need to go to a party, but Viren, you, my friend, you are the party. So, बहुत dialogue बाजी हो गई. And I really miss you guys a lot. Yeah, I mean, I don't know when will we get to see each other. Hopefully next year. We all are praying. So you have a great day. Have a fabulous, tremendous day. Have fun and take care. And we really miss you. And I hope to see you soon. Bye.
Hey Viren, wish you a very happy birthday, buddy. पहली बार I think we met Christ College 2007 या 2006, I don't remember. नेहा ने इंट्रोड्यूस कराया था सोचा था कौन कमीना है ये जो मिलवा रही है नेहा. We've had since then a lot of fun memories, lot of fun times. Over the years, we've shared or gotten to the same frequency and enjoy each other's company, the jokes, and are definitely on the same page on all the thoughts. Wishing you many more happy years ahead, and waiting to meet with you guys and party hard, man.
विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे वीरेन. और दो हमने इतना टाइम स्पेंड नहीं किया है, बट जो भी टाइम स्पेंड किया है वी एंजॉयड, एंड ऑफ कोर्स मिस योर चाय.
Wish you a very happy birthday again, buddy.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Viren. Bye bye.
Mivan wishes you a very happy birthday too. Cheers. Bye, buddy.
Hi Virenji, it's your birthday today. You have become 1 year older, but you have become 1 year smarter, more intelligent, much naughtier, much fun-loving, and much caring. It has always been a great pleasure to be with you. Looking for many more opportunities to be with you. Looking forward to have you in Botswana soon. Have a wonderful day and a fantastic year ahead.
Hey Viren, happy 35th birthday. Our first memory, actually it has to be memories. We have had a lot of them. Right from our Badapa cricket matches to the Golagata sleepovers. We have partied a lot everywhere in Calcutta and in Bangalore. Hey, the South African one is pending. You please make sure that that happens also soon. Hope you will have a good birthday. Take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye.
तो बात हो रही है बर्थडे बॉय की. इसको मैं जानता हूँ 2004 से सक्सेस पॉइंट से. बहुत ही बढ़िया लड़का था, सीधा साधा उस टाइम पे. बट क्या पता उस टाइम पे कि ये लड़का इतना शैतान निकलेगा. मैंने डेफिनेट बता रहा हूँ, बहुत पिटेगा तो लाइफ में, बहुत ज़्यादा. और ये शुरुआत हुई इसकी 2004 से क्राइस्ट कॉलेज के कैंटीन से. ये और विशाल एक ही मकसद से घूमते थे कैंटीन में. एक ही मकसद, फुल टाइम, और कोई काम नहीं था, एक ही मकसद था. तो ठीक है, सीधी सादी नेहा मिल गई. इसको कुछ आइडिया नहीं था उस टाइम पे कि किससे क्या हो जाता है, तो वो फंस गई. वरना बहुत गंदा पिटने वाला था. मैंने फूड कोर्ट में दौड़ता है इस एंड से उस एंड तक, दौड़ता ही दौड़ता. कितने बार तो हो गया, कितने बार बचाऊं इसको, कितने बार बचाऊं. एक बार तो पिटवाऊंगा, बहुत हो गया. हमदर्दी ज़्यादा अच्छी नहीं है, पिटेगा तो एक बार. रुक. हैप्पी बर्थडे भाई.
हे हैप्पी बर्थडे वीरेन, गॉड ब्लेस यू भाई, बहुत साल जियो तुम. मुझे एक इंसिडेंट याद है RPCL 3 का, विच सेज अ लॉट अबाउट योर कैरेक्टर. RPCL 3 हम लोग जीते थे, प्रेजेंटेशन चल रहा था, एंड एवरीवन वाज हैप्पी कि वाओ हम जीत गए, बहुत बढ़िया टीम, ये वो फलान ढींग. और वीरेन भाई मेरे पास आते हैं एंड इज़ लाइक, भाई सौरभ मज़ा आ गया यार, तुम लोग गज़ब खेलते हो. एंड मुझे पता है इस साल मेरा गेम उतना अच्छा नहीं था कि मैं डिज़र्व करता है प्लेइंग 11 के अंदर, बट आई प्रॉमिस यू कि नेक्स्ट ईयर मैं अपना गेम और फिटनेस इतना इम्प्रूव कर लूँगा कि तुम लोगों को मुझे झक मरा के लेना पड़ेगा. एंड ट्रस्ट मी भाई, आई न्यू यू विल डू इट, क्योंकि द वे यू सेड इट आई वॉज लाइक, भाई ये बंदा अगले साल हम लोग के लिए प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करेगा कि किसको ले किसको नहीं ले. एंड आई थिंक इस इंसिडेंट के बाद आई स्टार्टेड रिस्पेक्टिंग यू, नॉट बिकॉज कि तुमने कॉन्फिडेंटली बोल दिया कि मैं ये करूँगा मैं वो करूँगा, बट बिकॉज कि तुम्हें पता था कि ये साल तुम डिज़र्व नहीं कर रहे थे इतना, क्योंकि बाकी का गेम और अच्छा था. एंड वो एक्सेप्टेंस था एक, एंड ये भी कि मुझे और इम्प्रूव करना है, अगर मुझे इनके साथ खेलना है तो मुझे और इम्प्रूव करना है. एंड यू डिड इट. नेक्स्ट RPCL में यू आर ऑलवेज अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर टीम. एंड यस, आई थिंक उससे पहले हम लोग अच्छे दोस्त थे, टीममेट्स थे, बट आई थिंक जो रिस्पेक्ट वाला जो था, आई थिंक उस इंसिडेंट के बाद हुआ. एंड नाउ वी आर लाइक ब्रदर्स, एंड होपफुली हम लोग का ये चलता रहे. और आज के बाद तुम्हारे बर्थडे को हम बकचोद डे सेलिब्रेट करने वाले हैं, एज अ बकचोद डे, कि तुमसे बड़ा बकचोद मैंने आज तक नहीं देखा भाई अपनी लाइफ में. ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर फ्यूचर. मज़े करते जाओ, ऐसे ही रहो यार, बिंदास एकदम, जो बोलना है बोलो, जो करना है करो. You are an amazing person and I really like you as a person. Please stay the way as you are. Thank you.
The first memory of Viren what I had was this, this 20-year-old boy walking down the corridor with his, infectious smile and positivity around. And that very moment I realized this is the best thing which has happened to Neha. And trust me, I was very happy for her. The reason being I was very happy for was because of you. You are a genuine person. You have got a heart of gold, right? When I say a heart of gold, there is no price tag for it because nobody can ever in their life can afford that. Just remain the way you are. Trust me, we love you the most. We love your podcast and your, the way you make your chai and the rest of the things. And just live the way you are living. And yes, happy birthday, Viru. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Hello. Many happy returns of the day. So Neha has asked us to share our first memory with you. And though we met in Bangalore for the first time, but my first memory that I would want to share is about the night of Pratik and Vinny's bachelor party. I think I've shared it with you ample of times. So the first time we met, and Viren was super disappointed, and he was just talking about the handcuffs that he broke, that you guys had gotten last night, and it broke. Was very disappointed. So that was the first time we actually spoke, and that was the first thing he comes up and he tells me, and I was like, okay, that was a well needed information. So that was my first memory, which is still so fresh in my mind. But that is Viren. Over these years we have created ample of amazing memories. I don't have words to describe the relationship that I share, Rohan and I share with both of you. I love you guys. All I want to say is, Viren, stay the same, and you are a beautiful human being with a beautiful heart, and I'm so blessed to have friends like you. Love you too. Really want to meet you guys, and wish you all the best. Really hope that we come to Bangalore and party in your new house. And nothing, guys. I mean, can't express there are so many emotions that I can't express in words. You guys know that. And yes, one more thing. Neha, I think you should also make a separate, video for the memories that we had of, on his birthday last year. The most special ones, the first time memories that we have of Viren Kothari, So let's do that, huh? Chalo. Mwah!
Babu Moshai, kemon acho? Hope fatafati as always. I still remember the first time I met you. I was in Bombay and we met at Bandstand in CCD. And we were talking as if we were friends, and I was not your fiance's bhabhi. And I really like it that we have still maintained that relationship. I don't think you are my conversa, but I feel we connect at a different level, more like friends. And I hope this birthday brings the best for you. And may you have a great day, an amazing year, and just stay your fab self. And it's really amazing to know someone like you, so full of life, always smiling, and it's fun to have you around. Wish you the most happiest birthday.
Hey Viren, a very happy 35th birthday, bro. Still miss those college days, yeah. पूरे दिन अफजल भाई के यहाँ फोन दे के स्नूकर खेलते थे. You're one up now, but that'll change pretty soon. And hope you win 1 crore mega prize in Dream 11 this year. Have a blast, bro.
Hey, Virupaji, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Viren Chachu. This one is for you.
Hi, happy birthday, Virupaji. I think I've known you for the last 15 years, and in all these years, you have grown as a person. You have grown in your boldness as well, and your boldness. And I think first time I met you through Nishant, and it's history since then. Actually, can't remember actually where and how we met, but then since then we've been best of friends. And say hi. Hi. Say happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Viren Chachu. Say Viren. Viren Chachu. Happy to you.
Happy to you.
Happy
birthday, Viren.
From playing cricket on JP Terrace to sharing the same bed as a roommate in Mumbai, I have had a lot of memories with you, which I definitely don't want to share right now in front of Neha. But I want to meet you soon again to create all the great memories we had and discuss about it. Today, we would like to wish you a very happy birthday.
Have a palang tod birthday.
Palang Tod Bawa.
Hi. And many more years. Happy palang tod birthday, Jiju. With Neha Didi.
Hi Viren, just to being 35, my first memory of you is a little difficult to recall, but it's definitely got to do with Bangalore, and I still remember you making me jealous of all things Bangalore after I left, and your fun-loving nature, your catchphrases is what I remember you for. Well, 12 years later, you are still the same person, and yeah, keep rocking. Have an amazing 35th, and cheers.
Hello friends, welcome to yet another episode of Coffee with Karan, and we have Viren's friend Ravi in the hot seat. And now we ready for a rapid fire round.
Absolutely.
Why are you looking so dangerous, huh?
Because Viren is a very dangerous batsman, you see.
मतलब कुछ भी हाँ. और वैसे भी ये मेरा स्टूडियो है, ग्लोबल टेक विलेज का ग्राउंड नहीं है, और मैं मैडी नहीं हूँ, करण जौहर हूँ. So let's get started. So the first question is, Viren the party boy or Viren the batsman, who would you choose to hang out with?
See, I would always like to win cricket matches, and I'm not so emotional also. So yeah, I would rather choose Viren as in the party and not in the team.
Okay, so why does Viren not lose weight even after जी मार के वर्कआउट?
क्योंकि जी मारने के बाद वो भुजिया खा लेता है ना.
Okay, so where would Viren go first after the lockdown is over? Would it be Goa or Kolkata?
See, first would definitely be Big Booski, and then maybe Gillies, and then Socials, and then I think ABC Prost, and then Uru, and then probably I think one of Goa or Calcutta, maybe Kolkata. Yeah,
That's nice answer. So Suresh Raina, Nitish Rana or Rahul Tewatia, whom would you compare Viren's game with?
अरे ये लोग नहीं रहे. वो लगान में एक वो बॉलर था ना, ऐसे 3-4 और ऐसे 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 हाथ घुमा घुमा के फिर बॉलिंग करता था. उससे क्या नाम था उसका? भूरा. दैट्स इट.
डोंट यू थिंक काफ़ी आग लगा रहे हो तुम? बर्थडे यार उसका.
अरे भैया वही तो बोलता है ना, आग लगा देंगे आग लगा देंगे आग लगा देंगे, तो उसके बर्थडे में उसके हिसाब से ही चलना पड़ता है ना. हैप्पी बर्थडे वीरेन भाई.
Hey, happy birthday, Viren. ये नेपोटिज्म और एनसीबी ने लगा रखी है, वरना तुम्हारे साथ आता, तुम्हारे साथ ही बर्थडे बनाता। एनीवेज एंजॉय योर डे विद नेहा। एंड लॉकडाउन के बाद अपने कुछ फ्रेंड्स हैं जिनके साथ लॉकडाउन में भी काफ़ी हैंग आउट किया था, तो उनको थोड़ा पार्टी वार्टी दे देना, ठीक है। एंजॉय योर डे एंड गुड बाय फ्रॉम कॉफ़ी विद करण।